All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of Andrew Schultz's Bernie Stitch and Pitch. So we'll check the time October 19th at 12:01 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have October 19th at 12:01 p.m. There's the list of our 50 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Brian L. Spot number 6 is your winner. So, Brian, please get with Andrew to collect your Bernie. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, October 19th, 12:02 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.